I try to give my sculptures a name that relates to the place that they're going to be installed. So this one we called Memoria. I came out at the park actually in January. It was bitter cold, it was closed, and I walked the park from the west side to the east side, and when I came to this location, which is the sort of farthest east point of the park that's accessible by foot on this side of the river, it seemed like a sort of natural location, that it sort of needed something at this end of the park as a kind of destination. One of the goals and objectives of the public art project here in Viestenz-Smith Mountain Park was to somehow replace or make a memorial location for all the memorials that were lost in the 2013 flood. You know, I was really self-conscious about how beautiful a place this is already, and you certainly want, you know, trying to compete with that would be foolish, and so I wanted it to kind of fit into the scale of sort of architecture, some of the cabins. It's also a little bit maybe like a fragment, maybe sort of like a partial ruin, you know, something, maybe the foundation for a larger structure that once stood here. I think there's a variety of associations people might have, but you know, I hope mostly that they're intrigued enough to, you know, come have another look. I was really conscious of this memorial function that the work was meant to perform. You know, there's a kind of provides a destination at this end of the park, and also hopefully a place where people can sit and you know, maybe some of the people who had memorials here or had, you know, new people who were you know, affected by those floods in 2013 and 1976 is a place to think about that.